Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the credit card fraud detection using machine learning. So in that project there is some step like load data set and pre-processing, data visualization, data cleaning, and we have used multiple algorithms like decision tree, support vector machine, naive-bayes, artificial neural network ANN, and a few optimization techniques like genetic algorithm and cost sensitive random forest. This will be the complete project. Let's scroll down. This is genetic algorithm with random forest. Okay, let's scroll. This will be the graph. Cost sensitive random forest. This is the complete project. If you have any doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And if you are searching any type of project ideas, then you can visit our website www.techieprojects.com. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.